Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Juliet. In this video, I will be sharing with you how I made a simple chiffon top. If you're interested, please keep on watching. So right here is my fabric. I folded it into two and I'm trying to use my iron to get the middle. Just make it smooth with the iron, that way it reduces a bit of the stress. Chiffon can be very frustrating to work with. So that is it for one piece, and then I have the second piece. One is for the front and the other is for the back. So I'm placing them on top of each other right now. I'm trying to trim the edges. This is just leftover fabric. I'm trying to bring out a top from these remaining pieces. So I place them on top of each other. You see that the upper piece is not equal, so I'm going to assume that is my shoulder slant already. Okay, that is my shoulder slanted already. So I just trimmed the second piece together with that. And I think I have about 2 inches there. So I'm marking the length of the top is about 34 inches. Yeah, 34 inches for the length. And then I'm cutting. Making sure everything is aligned. So yeah, that is 2 inches there. So that will be my slant. I just trimmed the other piece to that, and I will assume I have slanted my shoulder. So unfold here, this is about 15 inches, which is enough for me. I'm on the bigger side, so 15 inches will work. My bust is 44 inches. So I'm marking the neck now. From the center point, I marked 5 inches in. Then the depth of the neck, I marked 3 inches. I'm making a curve now, as you can see. So that's 5 inches wide, 3 inches deep. So from that point, I'm marking the sleeve opening. I used 9 inches. So I marked 9 inches from the shoulder down. I'm cutting out the neck now. Both the front and the back neckline are the same. So that is it. And then that 9 inches point I marked on the armhole side, I'm going to notch it. You will know why in a bit. So that's it for the cutting. Now I'm going to take them out, open them up rather, and place right sides together. There you have it. So I'll pin the shoulders first of all. So I'll take it to my machine now and join the shoulders together using half of an inch. Then I'll finish the neckline. Also fold the side. After joining the shoulder, I'm going to fold the sides from that notch I made all the way to the other notch. Yeah, and then I'll also hem the down part, both the front and the back, and I'll be back. So I finished the neckline. I just made a very tiny fold. Then I sewed the sleeve opening as well from those points, and I also hemmed the down of the top. So next I'm going to turn it back, right sides together. I'll go and sew both sides using about 3/4 inch. So after joining the side seams, I ironed everything nicely. So next I'm turning it. This is the side seam now facing up. So I'm going to make some pleats upwards on both the sides. So here I marked 1 inch, and then I marked another inch, and then another inch, like that. So I just marked, so I placed 1 inch, one mark on top of another, and then I pin, then place another inch on top of another, like basically just making pleats. This 1 inch is just so I have the same thing on both sides. So you can make as many pleats as you want. I think I ended up making about four pleats or so on both sides, 4 pleats each. So I'm basically doing the same thing here, marking 1 inch, 1 inch, 1 inch apart. I mark 1 inch, I go up and mark another inch. So I'll do the same thing. I'll now take it to the machine and tack it down. After tacking it down, this is what we have. And that's basically it for this top, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe if you haven't already. See you in my next one. Bye.
Shine bright up all night, we're never slowing down. Fall in love, drunk mistakes, we're bound to hit the ground. Gotta keep this feeling, keep